They are preparing themselves for breeding. I think they are going to breed on that tree, wood tree. I don't know, but maybe this is male, this one male, and that one in the back is female. I'm not completely sure, but maybe it's true. And these are my other fish. Its name is Afra. It is gourami, blue gourami, and this is Molly. Molly. And that's there. It's a golden gourami. And they are severum. Severum is a great fish, easy to breeding. They just start playing with each other. I think last night, yes, last night, and now they are cleaning the tree for preparing to breed. And I just separate my parrotfish because they were fighting with the severums. This parrotfish, this is female and this is male. They don't allow severums to breed, so I just separate them from this big, beautiful aquarium. Yes, they are just got aggressive because they are going to breed. I hope they breed soon. Look at this fish, they are beautiful, so beautiful. Look at that, she is cleaning the and preparing the tree for breeding. That's nice, guys, that's nice. Okay, I'm going to keep you update if they breed and upload the video in YouTube. Please like and if you enjoy, comment for me. Thank you.